Bola. John. Spelling owner. Siswami awome mfethu silalela. Spelling owner usilalela sisithemo. Why are you sitting down? Because you see us, we're looking. What's wrong with you?
Nothing wrong, my brother. I just did it. I said you come to buy.
You understand? We're asking the owner who's still sitting down like this. What's wrong with you?
I don't know Zulu.
All right.
Yeah, tell
We
me.
want to talk to you.
Yeah,
You want to talk right here. You want us to talk right here.
Stock.
You want us to talk right here.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
This is your shop.
No, I'm a manager here. My boss is in Durban.
No, call him. We are here
Call
now.
your boss.
Yeah, I'm here for the management is here.
Then call your boss.
Call your boss. We are here.
No, our boss is always in Durban.
It's fine.
We understand what I'm saying. Call
Phone
your
him.
boss. Tell him Labor and Civil Organization is here on your shop.
Boss will be in Khartoum.
Yeah, you tell him.
Labor and
Why are you
I-
still talking? Call him
Call
now.
your boss.
Okay.
Go. Pakistani so kulmela nina and now the fly
It's a labor and it's a labor and civics organization. LSO. LACO. Yeah, it's a labor and civics organization, LACO. So that people are coming at my shop
Yeah.
and they want to talk with the boss. Yeah, but you can talk with them within Zulu, no? Basically, I don't know Zulu. You understand that?
No, we know English. We know English.
Yeah.
You can talk English. It's fine.
Okay, so who will be going to talk with them? Yeah, just 1 minute, please.
Ayisho mona kandoda sifuna social mina ngenzeka ukuthi nge-attitude futhi sencane sikhuluma nawe aniwathola ama-payslip la ngithi aniwatholi sondela siswami sondela nawo boy aniwathola ama-payslip la ngithi niya-exploitwa nisebenza about 7 days and off 6 days in off. All right. Kulo 6 days in malini niholayo.
Sifuna baredi nganayo. Mina ngikhola 1.5 shashiyana.
Bange behla ngenzansi kuyaphansi noma kuyanyuka.
Kuyanyuka.
All right. Ya ngithi ngingena ngobani?
8.
Mphume
5.
u5 which means 9 hours lo yangithi. 9 hours. All right. Kushuthi umuntu ngayedwa lapho kufanele ngabola malini 270 something a day. Angithi? All right. Masibala size sifika ngeweekend, iweekend yadablisha. Ama-payslip umuntu eyithola mesebenza, uyayithola i-contract, kufanele umuntu athole isoweda. Wenza iphutha elincane kuthiwa So sizolungisa lokho. Kulekani umsebenzi ophela. Sizolungisa nje leyo nto ngiphela.
Ukuthi nisebenze endaweni right, ngoba imali right ningaqolaseki. Nibe nayo i-UIF ukuthi mawufika la noma ulimala la still covered. Be. Ayikho into
Ayikhulumisa ayinankinga, akunankinga etheni. Sizolungisa nje leyo nto kulo picture.
Alright.
So ngiThekwini sizele leyo nto.
Alright.
Hayi kulekani ngizohola akunamali zoba.
iliphi lokulo.
Ngayikhathaza ukuthi anisadayisi silungisa lento kuqala.
How so?
Listen, Shaibu. Morning, congrats. Sila kulo picture la eHadingi o exploits abantu bakithi. Awubanika ama payslip abasayinile ama contract. hayi awucomply ngalutho. Awucomply ngalutho no Petrosi. Lo picture udayisa nenyama ebolile. Sitholile yonke evidence yawo. Njengoba silana sisa-negotiate naye induna yakhe abasebenzisana nayo. Abadayisela abantu bayithi inyama ebolile wadla ngovinini. Njengoba siba khona eThekwini sila eHarding sisekhona la kulo picture lo ongacomply ngalutho kubantu bakithi oxhaphaza abantu bakithi exploit abantu bakithi basebenzisa isokweqila. Sikhona-ke njengamanje silapho sila.
Okay. You tell me the number. What I'm holding. Labor and Civic Organization. That's called Labor and Civic Organization.
That's ours, man.
Yes.
Not that.
All right. Give me the number. 061 540
Bashani.
8020. And how?
Hayi bakulenga. Kulekani soyilungisela nina siyeThekwini lonke le itolo ezingacomply la sizoyilungisa indaba yazo. Ngiyamuntu ozoxhashazwa mama Pakistan suka le emazizimbaneni ezobheda.
Yeah. Where is Zayed right now?
Not the one who was selling cities before. Not the one who was selling cities.
Okay. Because we said you're representing him, please talk to him. Listen. 069 402 24 76. This is the other number. Give me the other number.
078
078
1333
133
604.
Tell the host, call on that number. Because this guy want to close the shop. Okay, please. He's coming.
You don't say no, we got the evidence. Don't make me fool forward, Futak.
We can't.
I'm telling you, forward, Futak. Don't make me fool, Futak. No. We got the evidence. I'm telling you, don't say no. You want to see videos?
It's in my shop.
Yes, but we are coming from Japan to come this shop.
My stock is always coming fresh one.
Yeah, I'm telling you, we're thinking we are full when we're coming from Japan to be here.
Okay.
We are not playing.
No, I don't. You are not playing.
I'm telling you.
You can make the payslip.
What?
But if you can...
They're working
Yeah,
for
okay.
you.
We start from today. We will make the payslip for them.
You sign them contracts.
Yeah, we have the contract for everyone.
Show me.
Abasho kumeza ndio bona na.
What you see there?
Sasa kwa sababu tutumia ndani.
Excellent.
E quando essas saem?
Dad. Nayibona ukuthi contract yeni isikhathi singakanani Nayifunda. Right, hayi kulekani. Sombamba nje ngicela mfana. Fanele silungise lento noma nganga operate nizobona. Fanele kulungelele Mrs. Yaham ngoba sizolungisa yona. Hayi sidala ngoba sidala.
Hola,
I want to ask you some questions here.
Yeah.
This is a focus contract. It's a focus contract. It only tells the worker to expect this and this and this from them. There's no time frame. Together with the money.
Into ewayisho la. Ayikho into esho ukuthi ngingena ngasikhathini siphuma ngasikhathini la. Ithi ungasebenza ungazazi ukuthi uphuma ngasikhathini. Ayikho into esho la ukuthi this is not a contract. Contract cannot just are you permanent right now or seven as temporary? You are not permanent, you are not you are employed, but you are humble. We are people go to the car now. Man, this is just a contract, not a contract. It's a focus contract.
The original one is in the DC.
Don't tell me about
Focus contract, don't call it for 2018. But the contract here we signed last year, what they said.
how about those years been working?
Sports 2018, that
2026.
this is working for this Tombi Corner, working for you from April 2018.
But it's a renewal every year.
Sports
why have you put ever a contract?
This is not a contract.
this is not contract system.
No, it's a.
This is not a contract.
The starting date, but every year is going to.
Why you said this is
This
a
is not a
contract?
contract. A contract
Show you
with
the other
details that the worker will be working for this month.
The original
And not
one, every year, that is in the DC in Durban, not here. Because they have there everything.
All pictures
You're
must be the
writing
same
there,
contract.
you're
All pictures
writing
must have
there,
the
it's a
same
contract employment, but this is not the
This is not a
contract.
contract. We shut down this shop. This is not a contract. This. This, there is no contract like this. You as an employee, do what? What is your benefit? So it's their contract that belongs to them, that suits them. You are here to fix it. We are here to fix it. Which doesn't seem right. Right.
And if I did about
This cannot happen. And we have to register.
Yeah,
The Muslims in your conflict. It took 7 to 6 months.
Imali apha ishayi ikhonise ngezi pheza lesitho isho masiqalile comrades pheza yonke sila eHarding njengamanje drobheni lakhona kulo Big Joe dayisela abantu inyama ebolile njengoba sisuka eThekwini silapho sizela sivalile njengamanje njengoba nibona ba-exploita nabantu bakithi baba sayinisa ama-contracts abhogasi ba-underpayer abanama-payslip abanalutho baba-exploit njengoba-ke sila sizovala thile abantu bakhona baze ba-comply amandla
Labafana ngibathembi sheshe.
Bringing our people on hand, they're fucking around, they don't know what is happening, they're selling their parts on me. Fuck! What's that?
Until you call us. Nolwakusasa, nolwangalakusasa.
Nasebenza ngomrholelo. Nolwangomsombuluko ngomrholelo. Sizomtshela thina. Sizomtshela thina.
Tshaya wozani. Shaya ivili. Njengamanje sila eHadingi nangu tshaya wakhona eHadingi uKurichini sila nayo inyama bayikhipha manje badayisela abantu bakithi inyama ebolile la eHadingi ilakho ifikile izela abantu baholelwe ezandleni abantu njengoba behole abatholi ma-payslip no provident fund nothing here. That's why we are here. There is a general worker now ama-bogus ama-contractor khona bogus ama-contractor printiwe angasile udlalwa ngabantu njengoba silana-ke siyazivala nasi isitolo sabo bazoze bakomplaye amandla awethu.
Bamba ufuna ukuvela baba. Ngempela ngingaveli bafowethu. Umnikazi weHadingi uphakela umthakathi waseHadingi.
Wenze kanjani
iHadingi lizoqonda ukho. Hayi. Thwi. Sazoyinyima bafowethu. Asifikile ke inkani.
Yona-ke le nyama le ejwayidayiselwa abantu ebolile ewashwa ngovinika iyona-ke le ya inyama nama-fried akhona amazambane amadala ilakho ifikile la izolungisa isimo ama-fried akhona amazambane abolile nawa nalamanye amazambane abolile kudayiselwa abantu everything sesikhona-ke silakho solungisa leyo nto isitolo sesivalile.
Sisi. Kumani. Sesiphethe kakhulu.
Sisi wami kule kanje ngizoyihola imali yenu.